Jalapenos, guacamole. Oh man, lime rice. It's there. This is it, guy. Mm, love it. Love it. You know the girl Moes, she said, hey, do you have the app? I was like, nah. All right. What the app gonna do? She said, look, you download the app, get your receipt, blah, 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 type this in, blah, 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 whatever. You come back, she said, you get a lot of good stuff. On point, so, hey, she said it's worth it, then it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. Now, I did drive most to Moes, but I came all the way back home to eat this too, though. Just, you know, man, but look, I'm lost for words right now. This is hidden. This is hidden. I'm telling you guys in the comments, I'm right here in Huntsville, Alabama. You let me know where else I can. Oh my God. Guys, let me know if there's any other place I can go. Oh man, or need to try. So damn good. A little bit on the heavy side today anyway, but guys, the flavor is there. You can't even hate it. You can love it. I'm just gonna say that. Love it. There. Love it. It's there. It. Moes. Oh my God. Moes. You guys did this. I love this. Love it. The flavor is there. You know, I thought it was gonna be bland like Chipotle. I take that back. You guys got it. Tell you what, favorite thing I like to say, let's get freaky with this chip. So I'm gonna lay the chip on top. Take the stuff, the burrito bowls. Can't get my words out right now, guys. This is so good. Let's just load this chip up. Let's just do it. Let's just load it up. Let's just load it. Bring it on.